This is How to Play Halo by Beyonce. To skip to the instructional part, just click on the link in the description. But first, I'm going to show you what it will sound like. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't ever gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. I can feel your halo, halo, halo. I can see your halo, halo, halo. Feel your halo, halo, halo. I can see your halo, halo. All right, so what are we playing exactly during this song? There's 4 different hand positions you'll be doing. And every time we move those hand positions, both the right hand thumb and the left hand thumb will go to the same note. So the left hand is just playing single notes. So throughout the song, you'll just be playing G with your thumb, A, move your thumb down to E, and move your thumb down to C. And we repeat that on each time. What the right hand is doing, it's also moving its thumb to these notes, G, A, E, C, but we're going to add one other note to add some fullness to this song, and that note is always going to be played with finger 3. So this is something called a skip, or a third in music. A skip is where we play 2 notes with 1 empty note in the middle. So for example, when we start with our thumb on G, we're going to play G and B together. And then when we play A, we're going to play A and C together. When we move our thumb to E, we're going to play E and G together. And when we move our thumb to C, we're going to play C and E together. So go ahead and pause the video and practice moving fingers 1 and 3 through those 4 positions. Now that you've tried both the left hand and the right hand, it's time to put it together. So like I said, our thumbs are always going to play the same note. So let's start by playing both of our thumbs on G and also adding the third in the right hand. So, now up to A, thumbs find E, and thumbs find C. We play that for the first full section of the song, and then a little bit later in the song, you can start to add extra beats in the right hand. So we're still going to hold the left hand note for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But in the right hand, we can start to play a third on each count, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this sounds especially nice in the everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. And that part towards the end, so that you can kind of build up some energy in that section of the song. So there's one more part I want to cover, which is you can add a kind of fancy intro and outro to this song by playing broken skips in the right hand. What broken means is that rather than playing those two notes at the same time, we're going to play them one at a time, and we're going to always start with finger 3 and then go down to the thumb. So it would be, for example, on G, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Then we move up to A and do the same thing. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, down to E, 3, 1. Down to thumbs on C. And then from there you go into what we call the blocked skips, which you play through the main part of the song. I hope that helps you get started with Halo by Beyonce. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything I missed.